It is summer break and you're just scrolling on your bed. Stop wasting time. Follow these 6 easy side hustles to make money, gain valuable skills, and actually have some real fun. Make this summer a game changer because making money in 2026 is super easy. And the best part, earning money isn't always boring. You just need to find the right platforms to do it. Today, I'm bringing you 6 awesome ideas with legit platforms so you can start earning right after finishing this video. Let's go! Hustle number 1, game testing. Companies pay real people to play games before they release them. Your job? Find bugs, glitches, anything that feels broken or off, and report it back to the developers. And before you say, that sounds too good to be true, it is literally a job title, QA tester. Game studios hire for this every single day. Now here's the fun part. You're playing games that don't even exist to the public yet. Unreleased titles, early builds, stuff nobody else has touched. That's not a job, that's a privilege with a paycheck. And the skills you pick up are real ones too. Attention to details, structured feedback, and understanding how software gets built and broken. These are the exact same skills QA engineers use at actual tech companies. You're basically starting a career without even knowing it. So, where do you start? Playtest Cloud. Sign up, get invited to tests, play games then, fill out a survey, and get paid. Simple as that. Hustle number 2, faceless content creation. You make videos, YouTube shorts, TikToks, Reels without ever showing your face. Voiceover, visuals, value, done. Pick one topic you already know or genuinely find interesting: finance, tech, history, life hacks, anything with an audience. The fun part is that you're a director and a brand, completely anonymous. No bad hair days, no fixing your lighting for 20 minutes. You control everything. The vibe, the aesthetic, the voice. And once a video is up, it keeps working for you. You're not trading time for money. You're building an asset. The skills you gain are incredibly valuable too. Script writing, video editing, SEO, and audience psychology. Understanding what makes people click and actually stay. Those skills transfer to literally every creative career. So where do you start? Adobe Firefly. It's free on the web, generates high quality visuals for your videos, and it's commercially safe, so 0 copyright issues. You get 2 free generations per day on their best models, so plan your content first, then generate, don't waste them. Simple, practical, and a great way to start creating. Hustle number 3, freelance voiceover and transcription. 2 options, pick your weapon. Voiceover means you record your voice for YouTube videos, ads, audiobooks, and podcasts. Clients pay for a real human voice because warmth, personality, and emotion are still things AI can't fully fake. On the other hand, transcription means you listen to audio, meetings, interviews, podcasts, and convert everything into accurate written text. Now here's the fun part. With voiceover, you're literally getting paid to speak. And with transcription, you're getting paid to listen. Neither one requires a resume, a degree, or even leaving your room. And the skills you gain are surprisingly powerful. Voiceover teaches microphone technique, pacing, vocal control, and audio editing. Transcription builds active listening, typing speed, attention to detail, and accuracy. And both teach something incredibly valuable: how to meet deadlines and communicate professionally. That's a skill every job on earth needs. So, where do you start? Rev is one of the most trusted platforms for both voice work and transcription. Flexible hours, you pick your projects, you work at your own pace. No boss breathing down your neck, no fixed schedule, just work when it suits you. Hustle number 4, selling digital products. This one is simple but incredibly powerful. You design something once, a template, a planner, a social media kit, a Notion dashboard, a Canva pack, and then sell it over and over again. No shipping, no inventory, no customer knocking on your door, just a file that people download and love. Now here's where it gets really interesting. This is where creativity becomes passive income. Imagine spending a Sunday afternoon creating a $10 template, and then that same template sells 500 times while you're asleep. Think about that for a second. You do the work once, and it keeps working for you. And honestly, the design process itself is a lot of fun because you're building something from scratch and solving a real problem for someone. Along the way, you're picking up some seriously valuable skills: graphic design, product marketing, understanding what people actually want to buy, learning how to write titles and descriptions that make people click and purchase. That's a skill worth more than any certificate. So where should you start? Etsy for planners, printables, and templates. Gumroad if you want to sell directly to your audience with 0 upfront cost. And if you level up your skills, Creative Market is great for fonts, UI kits, and professional design assets. Create it once, sell it forever. That's the beauty of digital products. Hustle number 5, building an AI influencer. Now this one sounds futuristic, but it's already happening right now. You create a virtual character, a fully AI-generated person, and run it as an influencer account on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. But here's the key, don't just make a dancing avatar with no purpose. Build a knowledge-based AI influencer with a real niche. Finance tips, tech breakdowns, travel guides, history stories, whatever you choose, make sure it provides real value. Give it a niche, give it a voice, give it a personality. Make it useful. The fun part is that you're a creator, a director, and a character designer all in one. You control everything, the personality, the look, the content strategy, the entire brand. It's like writing a character for a TV show, except this show can actually make money. And the best part, you never have to be on camera, ever. While you're building it, you're also learning some incredibly valuable skills. Real AI tool, Fluency, which is genuinely one of the most valuable skills you can have in 2026. On top of that, you'll learn content strategy, branding, video production, and storytelling at scale. Those are skills companies are actively looking for right now. So where do you start? OmniHuman. It can create a realistic AI human from just one image and audio. Then there's Higgsfield AI, which handles cinematic video generation and advanced character motion. Put those together with a strong script and a clear niche, and suddenly you've got a content machine. One character, unlimited content, and endless opportunities to learn and grow. Hustle number 6, online coaching. This one is probably the most underrated on the list. You teach a skill you already have to someone who wants to learn it. Not a full course, not a university lecture, just a real person learning from you, one session at a time. Pick something specific, video editing, coding, Canva, a language you speak, AI tools, and remember, the narrower your niche, the easier it is to find the right students. Now here's the fun part. Watching someone actually improve because of you, that hits different. It's not just income, it's impact. And here's something most people don't realize, teaching makes you better too. When you have to explain a skill to someone else, you start understanding it on a much deeper level. That's when real mastery starts to happen. Along the way, you'll build some incredibly valuable skills. Communication, confidence, the ability to take complicated ideas and make them simple. That's one of the rarest and most powerful skills a person can have. You'll also learn how to build real long-term relationships with clients, something that becomes valuable in almost every career path. So where do you start? Tutterpeers. It connects tutors directly with learners, making it a great place to land your first clients, collect reviews, and build your reputation. So there it is! 6 ways to make money this summer, without a name tag, without a uniform, and without a 6 a.m. alarm. Game testing, faceless content creation, voice-over and transcription, digital products, AI influencers, online coaching. Now don't make the mistake most people make. Pick one. Start this week, not next Monday, this week, and drop a comment telling me which one you picked, because I genuinely want to know. If this helped, leave a like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.